and the blower is the one that I'm marking on yellow. If your RAV4 AC fan stopped working, makes noise, or barely blows air, the blower motor may be the problem. I will show you how to replace it step by step. We will need to remove this plastic cover on the passenger side under the dash. It is held in place at 3 points, this one at the back, and these two other ones at the front. When doing this job, the position is a bit uncomfortable, so be ready for that. Once we remove that plastic cover, we will be able to see the blower. And the blower is the one that I'm marking on yellow. It is held in place by 3 screws, those I'm marking on green. Before we remove the screws, let's go ahead and disconnect the blower. This is the only plug that we will need to remove. And all we have to do is press on that tab and pull. This is an easy car repair maintenance that you can totally do at home and save your money. To remove these screws, you can use a Torx bit, flathead screwdriver, or you can use a small socket. For me, it works better with the Torx. When removing the last screw, make sure to support the blower with one hand. We don't want it to fall. And just like that, we remove the old blower. Let's go ahead and install your replacement. At this point, it's a good idea to inspect your cabin air filter. If you see that it's dirty, go ahead and replace it. If you don't know how to do it, make sure to visit my channel. I have a video for that too. This part of the blower points to the center of the car. It's kind of common sense because it will need to match the upper part. I'm just marking this so that way it will be easy for you to remember that. Now that we have the replacement blower fan installed, don't forget to reconnect that plug. After that, we are gonna be testing, and make sure that you test in all the fan speeds. When doing that, if for some reason the fan only works on certain speeds, the blower resistor may also be bad and you will need to replace it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like, so that way you can easily find me the next time.